The 2013 Dodge Avenger. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine. And for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Dodge prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by delay-off headlights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, an outside temperature display, and a split-folding rear seat. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.